Now check this. A group is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elements are there, and the operation is multiplication modulo 7. Which of the following are subgroups of G? So first of all, this is a group, right? You remember that? So this is S7, set of all numbers which are less than, set of all positive integers which are less than 7 and which are relatively prime to 7. Since 7 is a prime number, every number which is less than 7 will be relatively prime to 7. That is why we got all this, right? And what is the identity element? 1. Okay. And now let's see whether any of these are going to be subsets, are going to be subgroups. First of all, let's try to apply Lagrange's theorem and try to eliminate some of them. So the cardinality of this one, order of this group G is 6, and the order of this group is 2. 2 divides 6, right? So since 2 divides 6, we can say that this particular there is a chance that this particular subset might be a group, but we cannot declare that it is a group. Okay, and here order is 3. 3 divides 6, yes, there is a chance. And here order is 3, yes, 3 divides 6, there is a chance. And what about this one? Here the order is 4. 4 does not divide 6. Therefore, according to Lagrange's theorem, we can rule out D, the possibility that it could be a subgroup. Therefore, the subset H4 cannot be a subgroup. Directly by saying it, we can say. Now, for the remaining, you should test by using theorem 1 or theorem 2. Let's go with theorem 2. What does it mean? You have to look at the closure property, right? For that, we have to construct the composition theorem table. 1, 6. So, what is 1 plus 1? Sorry, it is multiplication, right? Multiplication modulo 7. 1 into 1 is 1, and 1 into 6 is 6, and 6 into 1 is 6. 6 into 6 is 36, and 36 modulo 7 is 1. Therefore, all the elements, whatever operations you apply, whenever you apply, we are going to get the elements which are present in the same set. So this is going to be a subgroup. And what about H2? 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. Now 1 into 1 is 1, 2, 4. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 4 is 8. 8 when you divide with 7, the remainder is going to be 1. And 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 when you divide with 7, the remainder is 1. 4 into 4 is 16. 16 when you divide with 7, the remainder is 2. Therefore, all the elements are present in the same subset 1, 2, 4. So we can say that this subset is also a subgroup. A and B both are subgroups. Now let's see about this one. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. Right? So what is it? 1 into 1 is 1, 3, 5. And 3 into 1 is 1. And what about what? 3 into 3? 9. 9 when you divide with 7, the remainder is going to be 2. But 2 is not present in the set. Therefore, it is not closed. So it is not a subgroup. So now you can understand why converse of Lagrange's theorem is not true, or converse of Lagrange's theorem need not be true. It means that even though the order of the subset divides the order of the group, it does not mean that, or it does not it need not be a subgroup. That is the meaning of it. Even though we are able to get the order of 3, order of the set, divide the order of the group, this failed to be a subgroup. So that is why in the Lagrange's theorem, the converse of the Lagrange's theorem need not be true. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177. And IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.